Hello there. In this video, we will learn about the Airmeet Fluid Space sessions. Fluid space is the open virtual space where people can move freely to network or connect with others in clusters and experience humanized connections. It can be used for informal sessions, post-event parties, ice-breaking sessions, etc. But you can use it in any way you see it fit. Let's get started. To set up the fluid space session, simply go to the schedule from the left and click on Add an Activity. Click on Fluid Space. Give your fluid space a name. Set the date in which you want to host this fluid space, the start time, and the duration of the fluid space. You can also select the background of the fluid space by simply clicking on these images. You can also add fluid space tags. You can add up to 100 tags. You can also add session description. You can add up to 10,000 characters. And you can also control who can join this space by clicking on here and select the type of ticket holders if you have enabled ticketing for this event, or choose the list of people who have registered for your event. Select them from here and only those people will be able to join this session. And once done with the settings, simply click on Save and you are good to go. Now whenever you are ready to start a fluid session, simply click on Schedule and select the fluid space session that you want to start and click on Start Space and confirm it for it to start. Now click on Enter Space to join this space. Here you will get an instruction on how to use this space. Once you have read it, you can just click on Done. By default, you will be led to a random room. Right now we are in a room 1. And here you can move using your arrow keys in your keyboard. When people join in your room and you are at their proximity, you will see them on the top horizontal line. You will be able to chat with others when you are in the proximity or close to them. But if you move away from them, you won't be able to connect or chat with them. But you can always get closer to the proximity and connect with them again. You can turn on both your video and audio to communicate with them. You can also expand this space by clicking on this icon and it will give you a table view. Here you will see the number of people present in your proximity. You can click on this icon if you want to change your mic or camera or fix them due to some reason. To minimize it, you can just click on here. Fluid space sessions can have up to 300 participants and max 12 rooms, and each room can contain 25 participants. New rooms will open up as people flood into this session, and once there are more rooms, you can switch between them by clicking on this Join button. The organizer can also start announcements by clicking on this megaphone icon. Up to 2 organizers can create announcements. The announcement made inside this room can only be seen and heard by the people inside this room and not by the people who are in other rooms. The announcer can also use both their audio and video while communicating, and they will be seen at the bottom left of the page. Once you are done with the announcement, you can click on this megaphone icon again to stop it. Now, if you want to set up and fix your mic and camera, simply click on this two dot icon. Test or change your camera from here, and if you want to put up the virtual background, you can do so by clicking on here, or you can also add new. If you want to remove it, simply click on here. You can also test and set up your microphone from here and same with the speaker. Once done, save. To hide or collapse this room, simply click on this hide icon, and to expand, click on here. Once you're done with this session, simply click on this arrow icon to go back, and you can end this session by clicking on End Space. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.